Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ms. Marvi Memon, Chairperson BISP, Mr. Umar Hamid Khan, Secretary BISP, Mr. Shoaib Sultan, Chairman NRSP, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, it's a privilege for me to be here. As the Secretary said again, but it's really, this is one of the programs that the government takes a lot of pride in, and we are happy that over the last 4 years, the allocation to BISP has gone up by over 50%. And also, the cash transfers in monetary terms have also gone up by, on an individual basis, have also gone up by over 50%. The amount that is allocated to BISP, just to put it in context, it is more than 1/3 of the money that is spent by the whole federal government on its running. So it's a substantial, it's a substantial number, and we hope to increase it further. Because any social security net, any social net, especially one that caters to the poorest of the poor, is very critical for a society. So we are fully committed to this program, and we're grateful to the international donors, the other agencies working with this program to make it a success. Today is something which is very critical to the BISP program, because cash handouts can only deliver so much. It is, in reality, the graduation programs, and as I keep reminding Ms. Marvi Memon all the time, that her success will be when she doesn't have a job anymore. And we don't have to have a need for BISP. So that is why the graduation programs are very critical. And we had been discussing that for a while. And then Dr. Shoaib Sultan, I think, stepped in. We had very different models to look at, and I think the NRSP is a tested model, and it will deliver the results. But $35 million is not, $35 million is not, it's a good start, but it's not where we should be. We should be perhaps looking at allocating more than 20% of the BISP program initially to a graduation program, because that is where people can earn a livelihood with dignity, and the payback periods are very short. So I would request that the program be taken to a much larger volume than it is today. As far as the endowment fund is concerned, I am privileged to announce a startup grant by the government of ₹1 billion. But that is but again, the allocations inside BISP need to increase substantially. And I fully agree with Dr. Shoaib Sultan that we should target to eradicate poverty, the poverty in Pakistan within 5 years. And BISP can play a big part in that effort. Poverty alleviation is a critical issue for Pakistan, and I hope that Ms. Marvi Memon, the leadership that she has given, the energy that she has given to BISP will continue. Our government completes its term on June 1. There will be election, there will be a new government, hopefully by late July, early August, and that government can continue its program. Although we definitely hope to be back, but whatever government is here, I hope that they will continue this program and deliver results for the poor of Pakistan. It's as I said, it's a very critical program, but graduation is probably the key element here. So I would request Ms. Marvi Memon to spend the next 2 months in making sure that graduation is something that is the critical focus for BISP today. تو میں سب خواتین حضرات کا مشکور ہوں، اور خاص طور پہ جو لوگ بسپ کے بینیفیشری ہیں اور اب اپنی بسپ کی مدد سے اور اپنی کوشش سے ایک باعزت روزگار انشاءاللہ کمائیں گے، اور بسپ سے نکل کر معاشرے کا حصہ بنیں گے اور ملک کی ترقی میں بھی اپنا کردار ادا کریں گے۔ تو مجھے آپ سے امید ہے کہ آپ بسپ کی مدد کریں گے۔ بسپ انشاءاللہ آپ کے لیے اویلیبل ہے، آپ کی مدد کے لیے تیار ہے، اور انشاءاللہ مجھے پوری امید ہے کہ جو گریجویشن پروگرام NRSP کے ذریعے شروع کیا گیا ہے اس کو کامیاب بنانے میں آپ پوری کوشش کریں گے۔ So let me again thank all the attendees here, the distinguished parliamentarians and the members of the diplomatic corps. Thank you for taking the time to come here, and I'm grateful to Ms. Barbie Memon for her efforts, and I'm very confident that every time there is a function, we'll be able to tell you that so many people have graduated from the BISP program and are earning their own livelihood, and how much poverty alleviation we have done in that particular year. And I again remind Ms. Memon that her efforts over the next 2 months should be to raise the volume and the level of the graduation program. Thank you very much.